Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a scientific notation question, and I'm going to get straight into it. So I've got the following: 0,000,000,319. Now when it comes to scientific notation, we want to move this comma all the way to this point over here. So that 3 is our first number, comma 19. So let's move it and count with me. I'm going to change the color. So count with me as I move the comma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So remember that number, 7. So we've got 3, 19. I'm going to put the equal sign in the front, times 10 to something. Now, would this 10 to be to the power of 7, or would it be to the power of minus 7? Now, always look at this and think to yourself, is this number going to get bigger or smaller when I multiply it out? And in this case, we can see that this number gets way smaller. So when that happens, we know it's a minus 7. And that gives you the answer to that scientific notation. That's all from me, guys. Very special thank you to our sponsors for sponsoring this video. Read up more about them in the description below. Be sure to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find an answer to your question, remember, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.